Shadow deployment in machine learning.
Shadow deployment is when you run a new machine learning model in parallel with the current production model, but only the old model's predictions are shown to users. The new model quietly receives the same traffic, so you can compare behavior without risking real user impact.
Think of it like installing a new navigation system in a car, but keeping the old one on the main screen while the new one runs silently in the background, logging every suggested route. You can later check where the new system would have disagreed, without ever confusing the driver in real time.
In a fraud detection system for payments, a bank might shadow deploy a new model, so it scores every transaction, but does not yet block or flag customers. Teams compare its scores to the live model, monitor latency and error patterns, and, similar to model serving setups already discussed on this channel, decide when it is safe to switch traffic.
Shadow deployment matters because it lets teams validate accuracy, fairness, performance, and infrastructure behavior under real traffic before exposing users to a new model. By repeating the term shadow deployment, you can remember it as the safety net stage between offline evaluation and a full production rollout.